Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Raven, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up your scenes and sources in OBS Studio and on Streamlabs OBS. In the description I will be putting timestamps on when both of the tutorials start, so if you want to just skip the intro and go right to the tutorials, you can check in the description. If you're looking to grow your channel and start streaming or for content creation, make sure you consider subscribing, because I post graphic design tutorials and OBS tutorials just like this one, and I guess I could help you in the future. If this video somewhat helps you or you learned something, please smash that like button so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I guess I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, first things first, you want to open up OBS. Yours might not look exactly like mine, but it should look somewhat like it. You should have a scene. If you don't have one, click the plus, then enter the name of the scene that you want and add that, and then once you go to sources, hit the plus sign, and then you could add a window capture, video capture device, or display capture. Window captures if you want to capture a specific window, such as a game window or anything like that. Video capture device you could use as a webcam or Elgato, and display capture just captures your entire monitor, but since I have an Elgato, I just use video capture device, as you can see it right here. And then next thing you want to do is go to the link in the description, and it should take you to this site. It will not look like this. It should look like somewhat like this after you go to log in with YouTube or Twitch. And once you get here, on the left side you could go to themes gallery, and then from here you can pick any type of theme you like. There are many themes to choose from, and just pick one that suits your stream theme. There's animated scenes and static themes, so if you have a beefier CPU you could use animated scenes, but I suggest if you have a lower end CPU to use static scenes, because they don't put as much power on your CPU, and they can still look pretty nice, but they won't have like the extra animations. But once you have found one that you liked, such as this blue rusty star one I found, you could just preview it and look through and make sure you like it. And once you like it, you could hit create my overlay. Give it a name. I'm just going to test 3, because this is my third time trying to do this. Kind of messed up the other times, but then you could click see theme in my overlays. As you can see, I tried these ones and I kind of messed up, but we're gonna take 3 here. And so once you start with one, such as the starting soon one, I'm just gonna click go to overlay editor, and then once you get here, as you can see, all your socials are still saying the actual social name, doesn't say your actual name, so we want to be sure to change that. So on the left side you can click layers, or if there's nothing overlapping it, you could just click the actual box, and you could delete Twitch and type in your name, such as Raven. I'm just gonna put Raven for here too, and as you can see, they're both right there. And then you just want to go in and make sure that all your socials and stuff in each overlay are exactly how you want it. And then in the bottom left, just make sure you hit save. Once you hit save, you can hit launch, and then you should see new links. In the links, you can hit this little link and copy to clipboard. Go back to OBS, go to the plus sign in the sources box, and go to browser. Once you go to browser, you can give it a name, and then you're gonna copy and paste that URL into this box, and then make sure you set your width and height to 1920 by 1080, and that's it for this. So just hit OK, and then your scene or your source should load in any second now, and there we go. And then as you can see, the socials that I edited are now in the actual scene. So that's pretty much it for regular OBS Studio. You just want to repeat this process for each scene that you have, or each source that you have, and make sure you have all the socials that you want before you put it in OBS, or else you'll have to do everything twice. But now we are going to be moving on to Streamlabs OBS, so you don't need this anymore. Alright, once you have opened Streamlabs OBS, there should be a blank screen if you haven't touched this yet, but on the left it should say new scene, and you could just leave it like this for now. But then in the top left you want to go to themes. Once you get to themes, it should come up with this new window with all these different overlays. And then once you find a overlay that you want, I'm going to pick, let's Pixel Storm, and then it's just as simple as a click as a button. So in the top right, I'm just going to click install overlay, let it load, adding as a fresh scene collection in my editor. As you can see, it translates all these scenes that you wanted into OBS. You just got to go to your social media, click on each one, and change the name by hitting going to the folder, finding the one, right clicking on the text layer, hit properties, and then change your name here. Just type in Raven, then hit done, and you just want to do that for all of them. And then it's just as quick as that, because it just replaces them with this. So that's really helpful, so you don't have to do it in every single thing in each scene. But that's really easy for Streamlabs OBS. They really made it easy for streamers to put in each of their scenes and things like that. If you guys have any questions, make sure you comment down below so I can maybe answer them for you. But that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.